I would not recommend this retrofit installations because it has this flange lip on it and it makes it very tough to get into an opening from below. In this case, it just couldn't fit without having to bend one of these or two of these flanges to actually be able to slide in place. The alternative to that would have been to cut a larger opening, but then you're left with a gap in the drywall. So trying to avoid that, so just had to bend the flange back into place after it was done.